The foundation in meditation is to develop alertness, awareness, to pay attention, okay, and to go back into the moment, here and now, by observing the breath and by observing the posture. The posture and the breath, they go together, okay? Then, yes, there is the concept of openness of the spine that I've been learning through martial art in Tai Chi, Qigong and Wing Chun. Okay, the importance to open the spine will activate some part of the brain just to help you to develop the focus, the concentration, and ultimately the intuition. On the meditation, just the foundation, it's just to learn to be sitting quietly, to develop your posture, to raise and to release your tension. Okay, always to be into this movement, to raise and to release the tension. Release the tension will help you to raise. Okay, this is even a posture in life, just to release your tension and to allow yourself to grow and to expand. By working on your posture, you will create more space within yourself, and you will allow to your breath to express itself fully and to expand. And now I would like to ask you this question. Do you know about your breath? How many times a day are you spending time with your breath? You know, to spend time just to be an observer by observing when you are inhaling, when you are full of air, and you start to exhale until you are empty of air before to start again to inhale. And you do that 1 time, 2 times for a few minutes and observe how much it will help you to change your frequency, to create some quietness inside yourself, some kind of detachment with the surrounding. How many times a day do you spend with your breath? And even I would like to ask you, into the last week, how many times did you do it? And maybe even, how many times did you do it into this past year? I know the answer. We don't pay attention to that. We don't pay enough attention. But let me tell you this. Before to be a thinking being, you are a breathing being. You have been breathing even before to start to learn how to think and to build your personality. But you lost this contact with your breath because maybe you consider that it's just part of it and oh, no need attention. But now I would like to use this metaphor. Imagine that you spend some time with someone who are really close to your partner, but you don't pay attention to your partner. You don't listen. You never give the time to be with your partner. Let me ask you, how is it going to be this kind of relationship? Are you building a relationship? For sure not. But if you start to give time to this person is ultimately, this person is yourself. But if you give time, of course you are going to build a relationship, a new kind of relationship, something that maybe you don't even expect, okay, because it's outside your radar screen. That this is important. Give time every day and spend some time just with yourself, sitting in a posture and using this expansion when you inhale and releasing the tension, and just observe this movement of extension and releasing the tension. This posture in meditation doesn't have to be to struggle. You know, at the end, we have 2 kinds of feeling good, feeling bad. And I would say when you are experiencing this posture, to be sitting and just to be in touch with this observer and enjoying to observe how your breath can express itself into your body, it has to be a pleasurable experience. Even if you are passing through some difficulties, like to be distracted and overthinking, or if you are disturbed by some feeling or some noise, or even eventually if you feel impatient or if you feel nervous, just go and enjoy to pass through this kind of feeling, because they are part of the journey. Now we have the rain coming around into the garden, but it gives really a feeling of peacefulness and quietness. We are in a very quiet environment, but you know this kind of environment, this is the kind of environment you have to cultivate within yourself. You have to feel comfortable inside. Even if it's outside, it's not comfortable. Just by going into this posture and breathing and be an observer, you prepare yourself to create inside yourself a field of quietness, a field of emptiness in which you will plant some seeds, the seed of intention. Okay, this is going to be part of the next module, of course, what to do with the seed of intention. But to plant the seed of intention, we need to prepare this field. And this field is inside yourself, to be comfortable with yourself, to be at peace. And step by step, to send away all this tension, all this stinking thinking, all this emotion, disturbing emotion, all this feeling given by the uncomfort or impatience, and just to clear this space. And then you are ready for the next step. When you can enjoy the presence to be with yourself, then you can enjoy the next step, which is to plant the seed of intention. See you in the next video.